Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a prediction about a match on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the menu button down below and click on Matches. You should select a match from your calendar in the Schedule section, tap on it, scroll down till you find the Make a Prediction section and make your prediction by tapping on the plus or minus icons. After that, if you are done with it, click on the Confirm Prediction button down below. If it's your final answer, click on the confirm button, because after that you won't be able to change it. So here you can check out your prediction, and if you would like to share it with your friends, tap on the share with friends button and you will be able to forward it via social networking sites, messages and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.